Exercise 2. In this table, seawater compositions have presented. First, determine the compounds that have escape potential respectively. For this, use the periodic table of scaling compounds that presented in this slide. Second, recommend the pretreatments, suitable membranes, and post-treatments based on the presented compositions for drinking water application. And third, determine the limitation of these ions in order to drinking water production according to the World Health Organization standards. This is your task. Please send your solutions for this problem to us. Now the section 3 finished. I will start the section 4 membrane design and evaluation with the next lecture. Thank you for your attention.